Hey everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to use the screen mirroring on your Windows and you are looking out how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the quickest method to cast your screen to your uh, from your Windows. So let's get started. So for that, we can just go over and turn on our TV, projector, or any of the wireless display and make sure it is on the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. You can check out your Wi-Fi in the bottom left corner, tap on the Wi-Fi option and select the Wi-Fi. See the Wi-Fi that you connected, ensure that the other device is also connected to the same Wi-Fi. After that is done, you can press the Windows key plus the key option on your keyboard simultaneously, and the cast option appears on your screen. It will directly open up this connect panel. Now what you need to do is simply select up your wireless display from the list to connect. So here you'll be finding your Samsung 4 series, your TV, etc. You can select it, and once you select it, what you need to do is basically select the connect panel that will appear on your other screen. So you can just go over and select one of the devices, and once that is done, you can select the again, follow the screen instructions to complete the connection, and you may need to enter up a pin displayed on the TV or confirm the connection on the device. Once you confirm it, open your TV or any other device, and then the device should be connected successfully, and you should be able to use the screen mirroring on your other device using your Windows. This is the way possible. If this is not the option, you can even use your settings. You can hit Windows plus I and access your settings and turn on your TV or projector or any other wireless display. And then you can look out for the option of Bluetooth and devices. And within Bluetooth and devices, you can just go up and select the option of add device, this one right here. After you click on add device, you can select this option of wireless display or dock from the options, and here you'll be finding different options. You can select your desired display from the list that appears and follow any on-screen prompts to finish the connection. And that is how you use the screen mirroring from your PC. Once connected, you can change how your screen is projected by pressing on the Windows key plus B option, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. You can follow up this process to use screen mirroring from your Windows. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.